Still solving linear inequalities, section 2.5. Now we're going to do example 5 on page 96. This one has fractions in it. I know how you love fractions. Right up there with root canal and going to prison. Okay, first step, let's get rid of parentheses by distributing. Negative 2/3 x plus the 3's will cancel, and it'll just leave you 2. Minus 1/2 is less than, distribute again, 5/2 minus 1/2 x. Okay, our next step is going to be to clear the fractions. We really do hate fractions. So let's look at our denominators. We have a 3, a 1, a 2, a 2, and a 2. Well, 2 doesn't go into 3, so how about we multiply everything we see up here by 6, and that will clear the fraction for us. Okay, so here we go. 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 goes into 6 3 times. That gives us minus 3. Is less than. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Minus 3x. And voila, the fractions are gone. Feeling better already, right? Let me step out of the way here so you can see that, since my face tends to block some of the light. Okay, ready to move on. On the left, we need to collect like terms, and we'll have negative 4x plus 9 is less than 15 minus 3x. Now we're just trying to get the x's on one side, get everything else on the other side. So let's add a 3x. Now we have negative x plus 9 is less than 15. And we want to get rid of that 9. So let's subtract 9 from both sides. And negative x is less than positive 6. Okay. But we're not solving for negative x, we're solving for x. So we need to divide both sides by negative 1. And what did we learn on the last example about when you divide or multiply by negative 1? You have to do what to this sign, right, this symbol? You got to flip it. So we're going to end up with x is greater than negative 6. Okay, so there's the solve step. Your next step is going to be to graph it. By now we have the hang of this. We just need a number line with a negative 6 on it. Which way does this arrow point? Points to the right. This arrow is going to point to the right as well. Now, which symbol do we need at the back of this? Is it going to be not included or included? Well, let's look. It's not included because there's no or equal to sign. So not included is which one? That one. Perfect. Last thing we have to do is the interval notation. Just look at the picture. It's right there in the picture. Where does it end on the left? It ends right here. Where does it end on the right? Doesn't end on the right. We're going to do an infinity symbol. And remember, you can't include infinity, so it's always going to, anything with an infinity symbol is going to look like that. And you're done. You step out of the way so you can see it. All right.